Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland, a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. The first downside target could be found at $2.20, followed by the lows of January 24 at $1.80. Technical indicators. RSI. The Daily Relative Strength Index, RSI, has shown recovery from 34 to 46 since February 21. Any uptick in the indicator will make bulls hopeful for further recovery. MACD. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, hovers below the midline with a neutral bias. Second news, Bitcoin pushes higher again with Ukraine war turning into great test case for BTC Bitcoin, BTC, and the broader crypto market continue to rise strongly today, as more analysts drew a parallel between the current market action and Bitcoin's role as sovereign money in a world heavily impacted by war and sanctions. According to the crypto exchange Bitfinex, the war in Ukraine could prove to be the first great test case for Bitcoin. At 1550 UTC on Tuesday, BTC stood at United States dollars 43,639, up 7% for the day and almost 18% for the week, after yesterday breaking through the United States dollars 40,000 mark in a strong way. The strong bullish action led to a flurry of leveraged short BTC positions being liquidated in the market. According to data from CoinGlass, liquidations reached a peak during the 12-hour period from noon to midnight on Monday, when United States dollars 119 meters in BTC short positions were liquidated, as the price surged well above the United States dollars 40,000 level. According to the crypto research and investment firm CoinShares, digital asset investment products saw inflows of United States dollars 36 meters last week, despite the tensions in Ukraine, which turned into a full-scale war on Thursday. Out of this total, United States dollars 17 meters were added to Bitcoin investment products, marking its fifth consecutive week of inflows, the firm wrote. It's worth noting that the inflows were smaller than a week ago, when United States dollars 109 meters flowed into digital asset investment products in total, and United States dollars 89 meters of those went to Bitcoin-backed products. Commenting on Bitcoin's current setup from a technical analysis standpoint, Hong Kong-based crypto financial services firm Babel Finance said in its latest weekly report that the United States dollars $40,000 in sales of Avatar wearables last year. The immersive fashion show will take place in Decentraland's new luxury fashion district and will feature a futuristic-looking catwalk. It will also host pop-up metaverse shops and afterparties. The area's shopping district will surround the virtual runway and is inspired by architecture from Paris's famous Avenue Montaigne, known for its chic clothing stores and decor. The event is slated to run between March 24 to March 27, according to the press release. Decentraland is exchanging hands at $2.71 at time of writing, a 16% increase from its 7-day low of $2.27. And last news today about Avalanche, Avax, and several Ethereum rivals now look very unhealthy, warns top crypto strategist. A popular crypto analyst says Avalanche, Avax, and other leading Layer 1 platforms are starting to flash signs of weakness. Pseudonymous analyst smart contractor Ontario today is undertaking marks nearly a year of clashes between Binance and the OSC. The exchange had decided to cease operations in Ontario in June 2021, after the OSC alleged it had failed to meet certain regulatory requirements. But in today's undertaking, Binance admits it had still allowed users in Ontario to trade on its platform. It had even incorrectly informed users that it had the necessary approvals to operate in the province. The exchange said it had begun blocking Ontario users since early January, but said that investors were still using its platform. But today's undertaking marks a departure from the company's previous rhetoric with the OSC. Specifically, Binance said the OSC can now pursue legal action against the firm for failure to comply with the ban. This undertaking represents a legally enforceable commitment by Binance to the OSC. The OSC reserves the right to take enforcement action against Binance for any past, present or future breaches of Ontario securities law, not arising from the events described in the undertaking. The OSC said in a separate statement. Only 6 crypto exchanges approved so far by the OSC. So far, Ontario's security regulator has approved only 6 crypto exchanges to operate in the province, with all of them being local operators. Canada does not have a national securities regulator, with each province managing its own capital markets. The OSC is the country's largest, and also regulates the benchmark Toronto Stock Exchange. Binance is still allowed to operate in Canada's other provinces. Track platform Avalanche looks bearish after printing consecutive lower highs in its United States dollars and Bitcoin (BTC) pairs. Back in November, fellow smart contract platform Solana (SOL) printed an all-time high of $259. The Ethereum ETH competitor has been in a downtrend since and is now exchanging hands for $83.06. Meanwhile, AVAX is trading at $73, down over 50% from its all-time high of $147. Smart Contractor adds that other Layer 1 crypto assets appear to be following AVAX's footsteps. All the strong Layer 1s that had been leading the pack for this year, AVAX, Luna, Atom and FTM, are starting to look atrocious. Cosmos, Atom, an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and communicate with each other, is down big, losing nearly 50% of its value from its record high of $44.70. Smart contract platform: how much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.